how to fix your YouTube small screen on your TV. So if you want more tutorials like this, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you can turn on the notifications and be updated on this channel. So first step is to restart your YouTube. This way you can see or you can eliminate all of the changes that you have made in your YouTube and your TV, so you can get rid all of it and you can now start watching with full screen. And now you can also restart your TV, and in this way you can fully restart, not just by turning on or turning off the YouTube in your TV. And if that doesn't work, you can also uninstall and install your YouTube from your TV. So you can go to your settings and click on the apps section, and you can install these apps such as YouTube, and you can now enjoy a full screen YouTube on your TV. So I hope this helps for you, and see you on the next video.